Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial, so it's just going to be showing you my everyday kind of makeup look, using all the affordable stuff that I use. I don't really use any high-end makeup. All my stuff can be picked up on the high street, at the drugstore, or at the African hair shop. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I get down. Let's just get straight into it. So first things first is this MAC hydrate. I don't even know how to say it, but anyway, I actually got it as a sample when I bought my foundation, and I've just been using it ever since. I only use a little bit like this. It's lasted me all the time. I really work mainly around my eyes. That's my main area that I would try to work on, because obviously I want to cover up them dark circles. I want to highlight, make myself pop, you know, make my skin pop. So I just hydrate my face, then get straight into foundation. Foundation that I use is MAC Prolong Wear. Ever since I started wearing foundation, this is the foundation that I've always worn. I believe if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. So I haven't changed it since. So yeah, I kind of just do all my little areas and I just blend. I make sure that my sponge has got a bit of moisture, so I ran my sponge under the water just to give it a bit of moisture, because I just find that it helps me spread out all my foundation evenly. See, I like this foundation because it's not too heavy. Like, you can't even really notice that you've got it on. I don't really like my makeup to look too heavy. You can see I don't put on a lot of foundation. This foundation, look at the difference. You don't even need that much, and the coverage, look at this eye, looks like I got a punch. No, I'm joking. But yeah, the dark circles immediately covered, and I didn't even put too much. So yeah, with this kind of foundation, you really don't even have to cake it. Majority of my makeup routine is me blending. I would say that my makeup routine basically consists of concealer and blending. Those are my two best friends. Now that I'm done with the foundation, I'm gonna go in and just fill out my eyebrows. So with my eyebrows, I just get the £1 eyebrow pencils that you can get from like the African hair shop. Literally, when you go to the front counter, there should be like a stand with just £1 pencils. Outline the corner, like just fill in the corner and then the under, and that's it. I don't really like to touch this area. And then I just blend that out and then use concealer to tidy it up. So just that harsh bottom line, just pull that up and then push the front bit out. Okay, so then to conceal my eyebrows, I use the Sleek Cream Contour Palette in medium. Excuse how dusty it is, but I'll use number 3. And I mix it with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. As you can see that I do many of times, I literally just put this in the middle, mix it, and then use it to conceal my eyebrows. You can get these both from Superdrug. That's where I normally get these from, girl. The concealer. Just like that. Just like that. And then just blend it through. I feel like eyebrows really make up your makeup. Like me, if my eyebrows look crazy, I'm just not gonna feel my makeup look at all. Like, it really makes a difference. Okay, so then for the top of my eyebrows, I go back in with the MAC Prolong concealer, the MAC Prolong foundation. I don't like when it's too bright on the top. I feel like the top is still meant to look natural. Just go over that bit. And that. Yeah. And just blend. Then I just go in with the beauty blender just to make sure that it's all actually properly blended, you know. And that's pretty much it for the eyebrows. I really don't do too much. So now for the eyes, before I put any eyeshadow on, I'll just prime it with some concealer. So I use the Vital concealer in color 7. I get this from the African hair shop as well. I literally just go in on the top of my eyelid and then just under it as well. So yeah, just dab, dab, dab. And see, already it's just brightened up my face completely. But I'm gonna use Oh My Glam OMG palette, bare skin palette. I literally use this palette so much because this is literally my favorite like colorway. I don't know if you can say colorway for things other than trainers, but anyway, basically I just love this kind of palette of colors. So I'm just gonna go in with Muffin on my eyelid. Nothing too much, literally pretty much the same color as my eyelid. If you leave concealer on your eyelids without putting anything on it, as you go on throughout the day, that little crease here, you'll see concealer build up there, and that's not cute, sis. Bare Cub, let's have a bit of fun with it. Why not? I'll put a bit of Bare Cub in the crease. Might as well make it a bit fun. That's cute. Then I'll just blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. This is Gabrini. I can't lie, the names of this thing always changes. I get this from the hair shop as well, the African hair shop. This is just £1. I literally just, when I'm at the counter, I just pick up the eyeliner that's at the counter. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time for the concealer. The first things first, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop again. So I'm literally just gonna put it in 3 lines, blend that in. And always remember to go up by the side of your eyebrow as well when you're blending your concealer. I make that mistake sometimes. I forget to do that, and then when I'll be looking at pictures, you'll just be seeing one concealer line like this. I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to blend it. So just always go up here so then it breaks that harsh, do you know what I mean, concealer blend right there. I'm gonna use this Sleek Pack again, but I'm gonna go in with number 2 this time. So that's this one right here. Dab. And then go back in with the Vital. I like going in with this Vital because my skin kind of has like a yellow undertone to it. So when I use this, it complements it. So I'll just put that on top to kind of bring the color back so I don't look too dusty and like washed out, because you know, with the concealer being so pale and stuff, it can sometimes make you look a bit dry and dusty. I'm just gonna use Vital and then the Can't Stop Won't Stop on my nose. So I really just put it on the bridge of my nose here and then on the tip, and then I do the same with the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I just put it on the bridge of my nose and then on the tip. Just dab that in. And I take it up to the forehead again, so it's not just got the harsh line on the nose area. Around my lips with the Vital, same Vital but in color 4. So I go in with color 4 because color 4 has a red undertone to it. So color 7 has a yellow undertone and color 4 has a red undertone. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is color 7, this is color 4. I use Vital color 4 around my mouth area because it's dark. It's darker there because of my moustache and all of that. It balances out the darkness, if that makes sense. I have very uneven skin tone, so I can kind of see the areas that have more of a undertone of this or undertone of that. So around this area is a yellow undertone. Here and here is a red undertone. So now I'm just gonna go in around my nose and this area here with some contour powder. So again, I use Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. That one. And then I just use a smaller brush to my nose just because I don't want my nose to be looking all bulky, you know, just to get the exact shape that I kind of want. And then I just do around the tip. And then I use the brush to blend it out and then a beauty blender just to go in a bit more. I'm gonna use this kind of bronzer on my cheeks, just here, give my cheeks a bit of color. Yeah, put some on my forehead as well. Then the highlighter. So I'm gonna do my cheekbone right here, give that pop. And then I'm going to use a super thin brush to do my nose, the bridge of my nose. So just go along the bridge like this. And then the tip like this. And then I like to do the little water ducts on the inner bit of my eye. And then just under my eyebrow. Give it that shine. And then on top of my lip right here. And voila, she's highlighted, she's glowing. Now it's onto the lips. For the lips, I'm just gonna go in again with the same pencil that I used to do my eyebrows. It's easier. I generally have small lips anyway, so I like to just draw over my lips. So I do just a Just a little bit over my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with this colored liner from Primark. So then I just go in just a little bit under with this. I rub that in. NYX, color Sydney in the middle. I like a kind of natural kind of look. I'm really not a bright lip girl like that. I really just go for pinks and neutrals. So just blend that in. But it's popping quite a lot. Hold on, I need to blend this out. Yeah, okay, so before I seal everything, I just re-blend everything in for one last time, just to make sure there's no creases, no patches or anything like that. So I kind of just go over everything with the beauty blender, all around the eyes, all around the forehead, literally everywhere, the nose, the moustache, everywhere, the chin, just to make sure that it's all blended, because once the powder goes on, there's really no going back. So then I just use this Revolution banana powder. You can get this from Superdrug as well, and I just kind of just pour it in the lid like that, just a little bit, because you really don't need too much. I just pat it. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna put the lashes on. So as you all know, it's EknoraBeauty lashes all day, every day. Gonna be wearing the Kash lash lashes today. These are not brand new. These are ones that I've used before. With the EknoraBeauty lashes, you can wear them multiple times without, you know, worrying about changing the lashes, constantly spending money on new lashes like every other use. These lashes last you so long and you can just get so much use out of it. So I put my lashes on with bonding glue. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm not even gonna try and act bougie. I use bonding glue right here. You can get this from, again, the African Hair Shop. I can literally put lashes on with one hand so quickly, and it's because of the bonding. Just put the lashes on. The corners are the most important, even if the rest of the lashes don't stick. So long as these corners stick on, they're not gonna fly off. And boom, they're on. And that is pretty much it. That is the finished look. This is a casual kind of look. Normally I put gloss on, but this is normally my base that I put on before I do put on the gloss. Okay guys, so that's the end of that look. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you want me to do more. All the details are going to be in the description down below. The link to buy the EknoraBeauty lashes will be in the link down below, eknorabeauty.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.